If you're like me and still like to use physical media, then it's nice to see there's more options coming onto the market to be able to play physical media like CDs. Take this for example. This is the SMSL PL150 CD player. Thanks to S.M.S.L for sending this out for me to try. Although they provided the unit, they have no say in the video content and will only see it when you guys do. It comes in a nice little box, all nicely packaged as you would expect. It comes with the actual player itself, a remote control, a USB power cable and user guide. It can be powered by either DC 5 volts or the supplied USB cable. It supports MP3 playback from CD as well as HDCD and MQA-CD. On the front it has both 4.4mm balanced and 3.5mm SE dual headphone jacks, providing 120mW, which is perfect for most headphones. It has a very nice, easy to read IPS display. All the buttons are nice and easy to access and read. Build quality for the price is decent. All the buttons have a nice tactile click to them when you press them. On the rear panel, you've got both optical toslink and coaxial digital outputs, as well as the standard stereo line out RCAs. It's a nice compact size of 205 by 43 by 145mm. Gapless playback is supported as long as you don't use fast forward or rewind during playback. Skipping tracks does not disable gapless playback. The driver in general is quite quick to access. It only took a few seconds to read the table of contents on my test CDs. I like the fact that you can orientate it sideways if you wish to save space, and due to the slot load mech, you're still able to play and eject discs in this position. Also nice that if you have a restrained budget, you can still use it as is with headphones, and then have the option to upgrade to a better DAC and or headphone amp at a later date. Sound quality is what you would expect from a modern CD player like this. Inside is a Cirrus Logic CS43198 32-bit DAC. The sound is perfectly fine and clear, with crisp audio, and it's not fatiguing even after a while of listening, unlike what you can get on some other machines. And remember, with having the optical and coaxial outputs on the back, you can always bypass the internal DAC to one of your own choice down the line. All in all, this is a very nice little CD player that I'm quite impressed with. It allows flexible placement, and the slot drive design means it does not look out of place with both new and vintage old separates. I genuinely like this little machine. What do you think? See you in the next one.